tactIO reinvents programming robots to provide high-fidelity 6-degree of freedom force control that can be used in numerous manufacturing tasks. Many manufacturing tasks currently require the innate human ability to adapt easily to variation and uncertainty, which is why the unforgiving and rigid framework of traditional robot programming of positions and orientations fails at those tasks. To make matters worse, worker safety, poor ergonomics, and labor shortages leave these tasks as jobs that are difficult to fill. tactIO solves these challenges by giving robots a sense of touch, allowing robots to interact with their environment and control objects in a tactile manner. With tactIO, no programming is required to leverage the expertise of your existing workforce. tactIO's powerful patent-pending algorithms can easily be configured using simple wizards with task-specific parameters. Your workers, who are experts in the process, can utilize tactIO to perform complex tasks while minimizing the risks of long-term repetitive use injuries. Other force control solutions are tied to specific robots with limited load capacities. tactIO is flexible and works with a variety of robots and payload capacities, ranging from 500 grams to 1,300 kilograms. For this material removal demonstration, we have taught the robot 4 points and configured it to apply a constant force, while always staying parallel to the surface. In this way, as the surface underneath slopes, tactIO smoothly follows the contours and commands the robot to adapt in real time in order to complete the tasks. If external disturbances are applied to the system, the robot will compensate and then pick back up where it left off. For this simulated assembly peg and hole demonstration, tactIO uses its tactile sense to find the surface and then search for the hole. Once it finds the hole, it uses the same tactile feedback to automatically align the axis in order to insert the object. tactIO follows the principle of Industry 4.0 by allowing for data collection, process monitoring, and process refinement using built-in machine learning algorithms. In addition, data can be sent to the OPC UA server for plant-level optimization. Contact us to learn more about tactIO, or as we like to call it, force control made easy.